Hi madam, my name is Diana Najumari. I would like to introduce my team member for this group project, which is Muhammad Azizam bin Abdul Rashad, Muhammad Shuib bin Arman bin Rina Indin bin Syara binti Abdul Hamid. This is our group task and responsibility. Diana Najumari in charge of collect data, do the analysis, and video producer. Syara binti Abdul Hamid, project editor, do the analysis, video producer. Muhammad Zalizam bin Abdul Rashad, design the sheet, do the analyze, video producer. Muhammad Shuib bin Ali Rahman, project editor, do the analysis and video producer. Rina Indin, she in charge for do the analyze, collect data, video producer. Summary of the project is the topic of our project is the sale and invoicing information system. The cafe we operate is called the Laksa Sarawak Bar Cafe. Our cafe serves a wide range of vernaculars, including Laksa Sarawak, Mikolo, and Kek Lapis and Berhabesh. As a result, a diverse spectrum of customers from a diverse society enjoy our cafe, and the number of our customer network is rising dramatically. All of this is made possible by invoicing system that we developed to strategically manage data and track all activities. For our objective is the first one, assisting small SMEs as well as small entrepreneurs in minimizing operational expenses. Second objective is enhancing efficiently by automating the generation of invoice, thereby saving value time. The third objective is offering a versatile platform compatible with. The fourth objective is monitoring previous transaction and sale. The limitation of our system is a lack of adaptation and flexibility in dealing with our potential change. Alternative with other activities. A single user can only participate in one activity at a time. This is our Excel. This is our main page of Excel. Plan of sale, organization chart, staff, menu, order details, invoice, sale, performance, overall performance, home. This is our official logo for our cafe, Laksa Sarawak Cafe. And the next sheet will be POS or point of sale. We key in this sale according to our staff ID. For example, for C02 is main day and C01 is main. With the and the date where equally the recently date and the recently this is the product ID and this is the product order. The service tax, member discount, that is the receipt to our customer, to give to our customer. And the next sheet will be organization chart. Organization chart. Business manager is me, Diana Najumari. The first staff is Syara bin Rina. The third staff is Muhammad Azizam. That will be our staff. Our staff which you can be here. Is Steve Mirabar. The performance will depend on the number of order the staff get, which is count 1 will be better, and this is excellent. Okay.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning, madam. My name is Muhammad Suib bin Ali Rahman, and my matrix number is 2023697738. Today, I'm going to talk about our group project that been given to us, and our project is sales and invoice. My part is menu, and I will explain about our menu and the best and our recommended store. Okay, first we go to the what menu icon, and then it will be automatically go to our Laksa Sarawak menu. In this menu, we got product name, product ID, price, and our type. Okay, there are four types: beverage, food, and set dish and side dish. Okay, for our recommended food is based on data that oversells RM 300 ringgit, where we can look our sales that over 300, we can look on the performance. Okay, it for example, set A is our recommended product, and it will be automatically go to our performance. Then we go set A 372 ringgit. That's why in our menu it is our recommended. Alright, okay, thank you.
Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rasli Zamin Abdul Rashad. So I'm gonna show our sales and invoice uh, system about order details. So in the menu, there's an order details menu here, and we're gonna click it, and it will show directly to the order details of Laksa Sarawak. So in here, there's a customer we can key in. You're gonna get the customer name, invoice number, order dates, staff ID, counter ID, cashier name, phone number for the customer, emails, menu, menu order, the price for the menu and the quantity that customer will buy, and the total price for that the customer should pay, and how much the pay amount is, how much money that the customer paid, and if they have a change, they change, and how the method that they use to pay for the method that they use to pay the amount. So I'm gonna show you on how the staff ID works here. And the staff ID, gotta close it. Okay, the staff ID, let's say we want to, every staff ID will remember what the code number. Let's say this is CO1. Gonna click this CO1, and then the counter ID that the cashier will enter will be appear here, and the cashier name will be changed here. That's for the staff ID features. Another one in order details is about how the menu that the customer will order. Let's say in here, if you're gonna click this using data validation, you're gonna click, there's a line of menu here, lemon ice. Let's say we choose the Mikolok Besa, so we choose this, and then the menu ID will change here, and we also the price will change here, and the total amount, the total amount will be automatically appear. And if we paid, and the customer, when the customer paid, the change will automatically change here. Let's say the total amount is 40, so the paid amount that the customer give is maybe 50 here. We're going to type in 50 and enter. So the change will be here, the total that we're going to give back to the customer, about 10 ringgit. And at the payment method, it also can be changed here. Let's say the customer paid it with debit card or credit card. You can change it here. Okay. So another features that I will show today is about the invoice. So we're gonna click the invoice menu here, and it will directly go to the invoice system. From the database of the order details will become a database for the invoice system, which is every time when we want to create an invoice for our customer, we just have to select the name of the customer from here. Using a data validation, we're gonna select the customer name from here. Let's say we're gonna use the Arif Zikri bin Azri here. Gonna click it, and the other details of the customer, what he's buying, and everything that he ordered from us before by using the order details will be appear here. The total amount, and we're gonna let's just look at the order details. Arif Zikri bin Azri. So the invoice number LS10052. We're gonna look at the details. LS10052. Here as Arif Zikri bin Azri. LS10052. Order details. The order date is 21st, and here 21st, and so on with the other details. And then we can print it. Just print it, and we appear like this. So we're gonna print, and we can give it to the customer.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syarah binti Abdul Hamid. So today I just want to presenting a sales summary for Laksa Sarawak Cafe. So we have compiled a comprehensive list of our menu item to calculate and to know the total sale from each menu. So for example, for Bali Suam, we will calculate the total sale, what we get in today or in this month in our in the Laksa Sarawak Cafe operating. Bali Suam, we get the 55 ringgit total sale in this month, and then we also calculate the average sale and the total of order, total the order and the average order. We apply a similar thing for remaining menu item, calculate both average sale and total order. Here we will calculate the overall total sale, and the overall for the total average sale and overall total orders, and then average for the orders. And for the maximum, so we will calculate the sale from the top to the bottom in our total sale. This allows us to easily identify the highest performance menu item in terms of a sale. Similar, we have applied the minimum function to highlight the minimum sale. This provide insight into areas where we may want to strategize or make improvement about the menu. In conclusion, our sales summary analysis enable us to make informed decision about our cafe performance, understanding the highest and the lowest sale, along with the average sale and the total order, help us tailor our strategy for success. Next, we will be see the performance of our cafe in several key aspects. We will looking at the top selling, recognize our outstanding staff achievement, and outstanding our customer preferred payment method. So now let's begin by analyzing trend in our menu sale. So the graph revealed that the Mi Kolok menu has achieved the highest sale, totaling 740 ringgit. We can see here, this success may attribute to our menu performance. And next, we will identify the staff member who received the highest number of order from customer. In this graph, we can see that Azrin successful process order from 23 customers setting records. And last but not least, we will identify our customer payment preference. So in this pie chart, we indicate the most customer prefer to pay with cash. That is the total 14. The total is 14. So what the purpose behind the graph? So firstly, we can identify sale trends for specific menu item, allowing us to make informed decision regarding inventory and promotion. Secondly, we can acknowledge the achievement of the staff members who has excelled in the serving our customer. In conclusion, this insight into our cafe performance provide valuable information for making strategic decisions, recognizing our top selling item, outstanding staff, and the customer prefer will guide us enhancing the overall experience for both our team and customer. That's all from me. Thank you.
Salam Sejahtera. My name is Mendrina Idin and my student ID is 2023867578. Today, I will explain about using pivot tables in our system, which is sales and invoicing for our Laksa Sarawak Cafe. First of all, let me explain about what is a pivot table. So, pivot tables is a summary tools that wraps up or summarize information sources from the bigger tables, and these bigger tables could be a database or Excel spreadsheets or any data that could be converted in the like table to a form. When doing the pivot table, the data summarized in pivot tables might include sums, average, or other statistic, which is the pivot table groups together in meaningful way. Next, the name of pivot table is actually offer quite a good clue as their importance role that is to play in analysis system. And this analysis system pivot table is a very important concept when it's come to conducting data analysis. Data analysis, it could be a database or data sets, typical contents, all the information that provided in one certain subject. For example, like as you can see, this is our system, and there's a lot of information that need to summarize, which is the name of the menu, the name of our product, the price, and invoicing system itself. This is actually really big data that we need to summarize all this information. So we are using the pivot table to summarize all the information to make it more easy to understand when actually we want to present. When I click here, button sales, it brings the next slide. As you can see, all the product ID, product name, total sales, average sales, all the information is there. So next, pivot table is actually function when the information is like organization shelf, staff, menu, order detail, invoice, sales, and performance over performance and home. This one, when we click here, this is our overall performance. As you can see here, we already got the row labels listed of our menu here, and then the price, and then the sum of the sales. From this table is actually a pivot table where the information can get from the menu and the price. That actually function of the pivot table in our system. We can see the overall summary is here. All the information is here, and we can check our performance, every price that achieve, and then what is the lowest one, what is the highest one. For example, like mie kolok biasa is the highest one of our sales in a certain period. So to summarize, the most important usage of the pivot table is the creating of summary of the large database, and this helps in doing so quick and handy manner for our system. Thank you. That's all for me.
Okay, our conclusion. Sales and invoice system offer a complete solution for SME and small business owners in managing customers. Small cafe contacts generate invoice and monitor previous transaction and sales by this solution. Integrate all modules into one platform with the least cost impact. The contact of a small cafe generate invoice and monitor previous transaction and sales. Alright, thank you, madam. That's all presentation from us. Thank you for your attention.